What's going on, Mixed Nights? I am Nathan Mixon with MixonFitness.com, your YouTube fitness coach, and today we are going to do a stretching video. Now, stretching is definitely going to be good for increasing your posture. It's also going to help flow and get nutrients to your blood system because the stretching is going to help activate those muscles. So definitely make sure you get some comfortable shoes, get to a mat, drink some water, beat the heat, subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications, and let's start this workout with a standing chest stretch. So hands gonna be behind your back. You're gonna look up to the sky, engage the core. You're gonna pull your arms up slightly, slowly, but surely. All right, you don't have to go super high. Every exercise is gonna last around 20 seconds. So get in what you can, hold that position, breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, and break. All right, so 10 seconds on the clock. We're gonna do a quad stretch next. We're gonna have the left leg coming up. All right, so if you can, reach down there and grab that foot and just hold that position, okay? You're gonna really balance yourself out. I know a lot of people like to put their arms up like this, but you're gonna really focus in on this quad right there, okay? Engage the core the whole entire time. You have about 10 seconds left, so we're still stretching, nice and easy, easy breezy. You can probably hear my neighbors. 2, 1, and break. All right, so stretch that out. We're gonna go to the other side. If you have something that's on the side of you, because you don't have, maybe not have that good balance, grab you something to hold on, a chair maybe. You can do this anywhere. So hold it for another 20 seconds. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Holding that position just like that. Engage in the core, okay? When I'm saying engage the core, suck that belly button in and bring it all the way to your back, okay? We're always keeping the core active. And break. All right, so we're gonna do a core stretch next. So we're gonna interlock the fingers just like this. We're gonna bring our hands to the sky, looking up. We're gonna hold it for about 20 seconds. Hold that pose. Deep, controlled breaths. Feet about shoulder width apart. And we're focusing on that core, okay? And break. All right, so we're gonna do a back stretch next. So we're gonna interlock those fingers one more time. And this time we're gonna interlock the fingers, bend down at your legs, and then push your hands out for another 20 seconds, okay? Almost like you're trying to throw a Hadouken out there or something like that. So push forward, engage in the core. About 5 seconds left. Arms are parallel to the ground. And break. All right, so you got 20 seconds to beat the heat, drink some water. We're gonna go into a deeper dive this time. All right, so we're gonna hit the standing hamstring stretch next. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and flex on that like button. All right, so we're gonna do the left leg first. All right, gonna bring one foot up, holding that toe up, and you're just gonna bend at the leg right there. Okay, this is gonna help stretch your hamstring. Okay. And make sure you just keep a flat back, okay? That's the most important part here, is keeping a flat back the whole entire time. One foot is gonna remain flat on the ground, the other toe is gonna come up. If you wanna make this a little bit harder, reach for that toe. And break, all right? So we're gonna do the other side next. Same concept is gonna apply. Bring that foot out there just like that. Have that toe as high as possible and arch that back. You want that back flat, okay? Head's gonna be in a neutral position. Remember, if you wanna make this a little bit harder, reach for that toe, okay? If you wanna make it extra hard, reach for the toe with the opposite end hand, okay? About 5 seconds left remaining. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, so we're gonna do a standing shoulder stretch, okay? So pretty straightforward. Your feet gonna be about shoulder width apart. Hands gonna be parallel to the ground, and you're gonna bring one in and hold that pose, just like that. Stretching the shoulders. Core still engaged, so if you're not rocking that core and keeping it tight, you're doing it wrong. All right, arms should still be parallel to the ground. You got about 5 seconds left in this clock. Breathe in. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, shake it out. We're gonna go to the next side next. Next side next. All right, so feet shoulder width apart, hands parallel to the ground, squeeze it in, and hold that pose. You want to do this workout like every day. This is something you can do every day before you start your workout, after you do your workout as well. So it's very good to keep that blood flowing through the body. And it can help clear your mind too, so stretching is really good for that. And break. All right, we're gonna do a high chest stretch next, okay? So your arms gonna be back parallel to the ground, and you're gonna put your feet shoulder width apart, engage the core, and bring your arms back as far as possible, okay? Almost like you're getting punched in the back. That's probably the wrong thing to say, because everyone doesn't get punched in the back. But if you was a kid, you had a brother, they may have punched you in the back. Maybe a sister too. My sister was me. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, so we're gonna rewind everything all over again. We're gonna do a standing hamstring stretch. So this time we wanna get a little bit deeper into that stretch. So left leg first. All right, start reaching for that toe. Okay, keep that leg straight, toe high in the air, keep the heel planted, and keep the other foot flat as possible. We're gonna go into a deeper stretch this time. So focus, breathing, nice and easy. 2, 1, and break. All right, stand up, we're gonna stretch to the other side. You may notice that your quad is burning a little bit because we are using our own weight against us. All right, and stretch that leg. Reach for that toe. Remember, your back is flat, okay? It's not rounded. Head is in a neutral position. And this stretch can be taken anywhere. So you don't just have to do it in the house. You can do it, you know, on your way to the gym. Not on the way, but at the gym if it's open. Take a break. All right, so we're gonna do the standing shoulder stretch next with the left arm. All right, bring your hands up parallel to the ground. Bring that hand over to the other side of your leg or your arm, your body, and stretch it out. Engage the core. Breathing into your nose, out through your mouth, and feel free to move around. If you wanna, you know, kind of move around a little bit, keep all the kinks out, get ready for your run or your weightlifting event, this is good for you, okay? Or after your weightlifting event. All right, shake it out. And we're gonna stretch the other side next. Remember your arms parallel to the ground. All right, keep your back arched, core engaged the whole entire time. 20 seconds. Breathing. Nice and quiet. Keep that blood flowing right to the muscles. Feeling good. Stretching is also good for improving your posture. So if you feel like you're slouching a little bit, break. If you feel like you're slouching a little bit, this can definitely help increase the posture strength there too as well. Chest stretch is next. All right, arms parallel to the ground. Bring them out as far as possible. All right, you're gonna feel this in your chest, and also you'll feel your back muscles crunching too as well. So try to go deeper into that stretch, okay? Looking dead ahead, head in a neutral position, engaging the core the whole entire time. Deep controlled breaths. This may still count as a workout because I'm starting to sweat already. And relax. All right, so make sure you are, drinking water, getting those kinks out. I would say stretching this routine, but we're doing the stretch routine right now. Like I said, you can do this every day, todos los días. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to catch more videos like this. We're gonna do the oblique stretch next. All right, crossing the hands over and bringing our bodies to the side, just like this, okay? This is like how I like to do my oblique stretch. Some people like to do a shoulder width apart. But this way, I feel it's a lot easier and I get deeper into that stretch, okay? So obliques are really good for, everyday movement. So having a strong core is definitely key to have a stabilized body. Take a break. We're gonna bring the opposite end, foot to the opposite end. How am I gonna say that? All right, 3, 2, 1, and let's stretch it out. Breathing nice and easy. My neighbors listen to some garbage music. I don't know if you hear this. Let me move my music so you can hear it. 2, 1, and break. All right, calf stretch is going to be next. All right, so we're going to get into a lunge position now. Feet shoulder width apart. Keep that back heel on the ground. Keep the other front leg bent. All right, and stretch that calf muscle out. Your left leg should be moving forward. Calf muscles are known for Charlie horses, so if you ever woke up with a cramp in your leg, it's probably because you either didn't drink enough water or you didn't stretch enough because you had a strenuous exercise or a long day. Take a break. We're going to bring the right leg forward this time, stretching the back, left leg. All right, remember keep that knee or that heel on the back on the floor, both heels on the floor. All right, the more you get deeper into that lunge, the more you're going to engage that calf muscle. Okay. Shoulders should be back. About 5 seconds left. 2, 1, and break. All right, we're gonna do a groin stretch next. Your feet gonna be about double shoulder width apart, and we're just gonna go into a deep sumo squat. Holding that position, you're gonna stretch the groin. Hold it for 20 seconds. Engage the core too at the same time. Halfway there, 10 seconds left. If you can go deeper, that's perfectly fine, but remember we have 2 rounds of this. 1 and break. All right, come on up. You can go back into the oblique stretch. All right, so bring that right leg behind the left leg and bring that arm up. 20 seconds. Remember, you can do this every day. So feel free to do it every day. Come back and visit me. You know, share with your friends. You guys can do it together and just feel way better. I want you to try this like before you start your day. Take a break. I want you to try these workouts right before you start the day, you know. Bring the left leg behind the right leg and just tell me how you feel. Comment down below. Let me know how you feel after you do a stretch. I always feel great. Even though I'm sweating right now, I always feel great. Nice and easy. Stretch is not supposed to hurt, it's just supposed to stretch, okay? So if it's hurting, you're doing something too wrong. All right, calf stretch is next. All right, we're gonna bring that left leg forward. All right, keep those heels on the ground, engage the core, shoulders back, stretch that calf muscle. Breathing nice and easy. Both feet should be facing forward too as well, okay? They should be looking in the direction that you are looking into. Not that your feet have eyes, because can't look. Break, change over, switch. All right. Same concept, feet shoulder width apart, both heels on the ground, stretch that calf muscle. Go a little bit deeper if you can too as well, okay? So if you want to go a little bit deeper, you can bring your foot out a little bit further or squat down on that front leg. About 3 seconds left, 2, 1, and break. All right, lastly, we're gonna do the groin stretch, okay? So feet double shoulder width apart. You know, deeper into it, okay, without hurting yourself, keeping both feet flat on the ground. All right, hold what you got. Whew. Yeah, this is probably my favorite stretch. Which stretch do you find the most help or most beneficial to you? Comment down below. Let me know what you think. All right, 2, 1, and woo! So there you have it. Some nice, cool stretches you can utilize every single day. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on your push notifications if you want to see some stretches done here or want a certain part of your body stretched. Let me know down in the comments and I'll make that video happen for you too as well. And as always, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.